Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to insert footnote on Microsoft Word. Today I will show you two methods that you can use to insert footnote on Microsoft Word. Now the first method is function method and the second method is keyboard shortcut method. So at first open up your Microsoft Word and then open any document. Now the first method is very simple. Now if you want to add footnote here, just put the cursor here, then click on references. And here you can see insert footnote, then just click here and here it is. And you can type anything as you want. And it's done. You can see footnote 1 has been inserted successfully. Now I will show you how to insert footnote using keyboard shortcut. Now if you want to insert second footnote here, just put the cursor here. Then you have to press Ctrl plus Alt plus F. And you can see second footnote has been created successfully, and you can type anything as you want. And that's it. You have successfully insert footnote using these two simple methods. And that is how you can insert footnote in your Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.